Oh, yeah, it's going, guys. Hope all is well. So welcome back to the channel. I'm £200 in this Blueprint Aurora Max. Current screen at the moment is Wild Edition Leopard Edition. Wild Adventure Leopard Edition, sorry, and Gladiator Riches. As people are aware on the channel, I'm always up for a slot challenge and I'm always up for a slot idea. And yeah, recently I've been going for things such as the Green Vial and you know, trying to get max spins and lower stakes. I'm going to attempt a long series of attempts, and you'll see them when I do. I'm trying to get a jackpot on Fishin Frenzy or the 5 scatter start. And so this is going to be the first attempt. Now this slot here is probably one of the most famous, the oldest popular slots ever been created by a company called Real Time Gaming. And yeah, it's been around for a while. I have never ever had a jackpot on this now. Never. So yeah, I just thought to myself, let's start off with a new series and yeah, just go for some features until I either hit 5 scatters or I jackpot the feature. Now this is hard enough to bonus as it is, so I'm obviously not going to go just for it on this video, but I'm going to at least try and go for a few bonuses, and then I'll move off to a different slot and then just keep doing it over the sessions to come, the months to come, to try and get it. So yeah, let us know in the comments if you like the idea of this, if you've got any other great slot suggestions or challenges. I'd love to hear them. And yeah, if you wouldn't mind giving the little video a thumbs up, the video a little thumbs up, not a little video thumbs up, yeah, it massively helps with the channel. If I don't ask, I don't get. It irritates me asking you guys and girls, but yeah, it only takes 2 seconds and it's free to do. So hopefully what you'll see next with this slot is a bonus. Fingers crossed it lands one pretty quickish. 200 start. See you hopefully soon. With the first little roll in, get £10 on the line, which is about 50 quid. 60, very nice. Keeps me plodding along, like £18 out, run for the hills. To be fair though, if that went across the real 5, that would have been a monstrous catch. £40 a win line compared to 10. Anyways. Go on, go on.
The end one plays up.
Have a 32. Nice.
Them, they are.
Have a 62 rolling. Dropped in loads of nice wins so far. 96 up, yeah. Nice to see one actually drop some wins in. Go on then. Fish is everywhere. In with bonus number 1 on the Fishin Frenzy. Currently 76 up as well. I mean, to get the jackpot on this, you need big catches from the off. Like that one would have been nice, 200 quid. Okay. Say by the last spin then. 84 catch at the end. It's 9 dead spins and then 1 good one at the end. Maybe 162 up. Obviously going to continue it. See if we can get a couple more bonuses. Good. Round it. Yeah. Bonus number 2, off a little bit. Okay, nice. That's a good one actually. 100 quid. Got one more good catch. yeah. All fell off. Yeah, go, 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 go. Yeah, nice. That's a very nice feature this is. Two, 4, 3. That's really nice. Okay, plod along again. As I thought, try to do one more feature, and then yeah, that'd be enough for trying to hunt it up for this session. Yeah, right, bonus number 3, the final bonus is in. Catch would have been incredible. The last one was huge. The one before it was a bit. The first one was 80 something, and the second one was 244, 246.
That's a good one.
Yeah, nice. Four spins remaining. Catch, catch, catch. $89. Hello. Right, back in a sec with something else on a different game, different terminal. Currently 177 up. Right, moving on to this one here, Buccaneers Frenzy. Very similar to Fishin Frenzy, really. We're going to give it a little whirl. Down to starting balance as a minimum. The volume. Fix me the grog. Autoplays on. Try these 50 autoplays. Yeah, I'm currently 177 up. So we'll get 3 of those scatters to begin the bonus. There is a gold version as well. But I'm gonna give this one a whirl. In with a bonus on this. 10 spins. Need one more catch? Go on then. 180 quid on 50p though. That's massive. Well done. Really nice. Right, I need matey to come in. It gives you 1 extra spin. Collects any chests. Not one collect. Right, I'm going to pay down to 300 and I'm going to move off the terminal. Final one now. Right, come off the blueprint onto this Equinox. Gonna give Bank Safecracker a few whirls on the premium flow. Yeah, I'll have to bring you back for any action. You can get up to I think 25 spins on this. You can either get it from the Pick-me's, which is the 3 discs, or it lands. Yeah, I'll be back through a sink in a second. Currently 84 up. Alright, it's landed 20 spins. Gonna have it, because you can always gamble afterwards. But yeah, it's cost 66 though. Last time I played, it's got loads of re-triggers. across them. Do you know what I mean by the win values? Yeah. Yeah, they're all the same values on action rate, but you can get quadruples, can't you?
50 quid on bar, isn't it?
No, exactly the same. On Action Bank Ultras, but you just get 50 win lines and you get quadruple, up to quadruples. Got a re-trick. Okay. Still don't know if you can get pots off that or not. Yeah, the big difference is with 50 win lines and you get quadruples, it makes 50, yeah, like 5 times as many win lines. So the safe exploded. Gave me. Oh, is that? Oh, it's close then to 50 quid then. Non-stop bonus in that thing over there. Five left. Still don't know what to make of this slot. Especially when I had 75 spins the other day and it, you know, nearly broke 250. Just about broke 250. Final one now. 77.
Quite shit.
Yeah, and that's what I mean, like you can gamble for more spins. If you go for 25, you're then going for...
It's not even 100 quid.
Yeah, I know, yeah. It's probably about the right value. I did try and get 100 spins. Should I try and go for 100 spins though?
You wouldn't do it, mate.
Yeah, it should be just collect it, but...
Can I say one thing?
But
You don't have to keep just hitting the under.
I haven't done it once yet.
Have you not?
When?
You keep going dial 5.
When?
So earlier.
On this?
We're in this game, we just unload these again.
Alright. You confused me then, what you were saying. I know, I've attempted it a few times, I can't seem to get it. I mean, this is about a 120 gamble. That 100 spins ain't valued at massive amounts.
I get more than 50 again.
Still not got it. Yeah. Oh. Alright, moved off that game. I will get 100 spins on that one day. Not today.
Find it all right.
Yeah, mate. Thanks.
Right, back in a set with another game. Right, I switched on to Lady of Avalon. Gonna try and get a couple of teasers on this, see if we can get a feature. It's another one I've been trying to get for a little while. Currently 26 quid up. Yeah, be back if anything lands on this. Yeah, need 3 of those symbols to land. Does a really weird tease. Like speeds up and slows down depending on what reel it's on. I'm turning that gamble off, I don't like it. So close then. 150 quid that would have been. I thought I'd just bring it back for anyway, just a little win, but I've got the gamble turned off obviously. But close with no cigar for 5 horses. In with a bonus. Wasn't expecting it. £11 start because of the wins that came with it. What are you giving me then, love?
Is that yours, Alan? Or is it one of yours?
Second highest symbol. The castles. So this is like It's like basically like Book of Ra. Come on then, Castles, one more. Difference between a tenner and 80 quid. Four of them is jackpot, obviously. Got no chance of seeing four. Might see three. Four left. Go on, go on. Yeah, nice. It's 80 quid. Yeah, I'll take another tenner. One spin remaining. Okay. Yeah, that's a good feature. Especially for that premium symbol. It's obviously quite rare to get that one in. Nice. Moving off the Lady of Avalon then. Gonna go into another little slot I haven't played in a while. Flick through the screen, find some games. Going old school. Zeus II. Gonna try it for 100 quid's worth of what plays. Scatters and reels 1, 2, and 3. And yeah, if you get those Zeuses on the front, it begins like super hot spin mode. So yeah, I'll be back if it does anything in the gambles as well. But the most you can gamble for on this is, I think it's 25 spins. It might be 30 actually. In with the first gamble. Bit of a chance for a couple of bigger spin gambles. Tease number 4 is in. Okay. I mean, get excited, but it's not the most volatile bonus. So I need those Zeuses on the front for the super hot spin. Do you know, I've never had a retrig on this. I know I can do it. Good bonus, 8 quid. Zeus II goes crazy with an £8 win. In with 5. In with 10. Yeah, I would have obviously had them. Right, moving on to something else. Had a couple of chances then. Should I try a bit of maybe Age of the Gods? Try this for a few teasers. Love to tease this one because it does the bonus spin on reel 5. So yeah, if it lands, I'll see it. If not, I'm going to move off it on £100 mark. Right, final tease on this. I've had 6 teasers, I think. And it's not in. Oh no, got one extra one. No good, no good. I'm feeling a little bit of roulette. don't know why.
Welcome to
Probably be a bit disastrous, but I'm going to do what I normally do, and that is go for high black. Okay, got some water plays off. It's obviously a small segment. Anywhere to the left of the 0 in the black is good here. But yeah, I'll speed all these up. And when it lands, you'll see it. Hopefully get it lands.
No more bets, thank
Stop.
you.
No,
23.
24
red,
would have been alright.
Odd. Place your bets, please.
These autoplays get cancelled every time it lands on a spin, so...
Bets, thank you.
Oh, you filthy, filthy dog. 26
0.
then was £3 on it. Thought that was there then.
Place your bets, please.
2 quick hits on this though. You see, it can cost hundreds to land on this green. Get round to it. 26. Oh, it's gone a 10 to 1.
26. Black.
50 to
even.
1. Yeah,
Place your
33
bets,
quid.
please.
Right, one more spin on this.
Welcome to Global Draw Roulette. Place your bets, please. No
Okay.
more bets, thank you.
Oh, so I can't even look where I was going then. I was a little bit FOBT through that.
21. Red. Odd.
I'm gonna get off it now.
Place.
Currently 98 down. What should I play? What should I go for? Nothing on pots of gold, see what the pots are on. Nothing amazing, but we'll see. Highly requested slot, lots of people do like seeing the big pies. This is a fair point really. Someone did comment this, and I did say this in a recent video myself. A lot of people on this go for 75 to jackpot all the time, but on different slots you never will gamble 75 to jackpot. So come on, pots. Damn it. What that was.
Place your bets, please.
One complete.
Gotcha! Gonna go for a little biggie after that. Spin over number 2.
20.
There's a times 2.
I don't know which one on there.
In the area. In the area. Nowhere near. And with a £40 win. I'm 300 in on the session now. Times 2. Could have took a times 3. What?
Better than the 1, I guess.
Yeah, and a lap. Damn it. Right, I'll just load another 200 in, so that's 500 in. That's all I'm gonna put in for today. So hopefully get some action within this. I think I'm gonna go for a double. Wherever it lands next. Well, if it does, obviously lands something next. Yes, I'll be back. Hopefully there's something soon. In with submission was. There you go. This is the highest there. That top left hand corner every time. In with a baby lap right near the end of the balance. Yeah, well, that looks to be right. They only pay on 30p, but yeah. They don't pay on 20 because you won't get the pick. Oh, it's a number then. So I double them max. 2-part plan. Back in that top left corner again. So that has like a pie segment. Every time that would be finding the smallest of red. If it was one of the normal ones at the bottom. It's the same equivalent. Now I'm feeling like to carry on. I'm going to keep going for a little bit longer. I'm going to put another 200 in. Back in a set. Anyway, spin number whatever. It's not a part. Times 1. Get rounds and wire it. Yeah. Yeah, well, if you can get anywhere with this, man, I'll be impressed. Small plays on, I'll do on. And with next spin, it's not going well this. It's like a super. Yeah. Oh yeah, anything higher than times 2. Alright, plan of action 40, 50, 75 max. Get in there with this. Going fantastically well. Well, 1 press left. Dropped some leps in, minimum 25. Minimum 20, sorry, not 25. See you later. Let's try that 35 to 50. Let's see if it lands in that top left hand place again. It's not. Yeah. Stick to the band. Go to 70 to max. Slim chance. This is right at the end of the session. That is it. I'm not going to put no more in. It's a 700 loss. Yeah, I'm not going to chase that. Yeah, what really went wrong then at the end? Probably that and the slot before. But yeah, I'm going to end it there. Should say 800 in it. Yeah, £100 up from the previous cabinet. So yeah, keep the stock requests coming. I'll see everyone very soon. Much love. Ta-da.